Alrighty, good afternoon, boys and girls. My name is Dr. D, and I'm here with
Steph the Scientist.
And we're back for another library laboratory, and we're back in the laboratory. So today we're going to be doing a walking water experiment. Pretty cool stuff. What do we need for this, Steph the Scientist?
Well, Dr. D, to test this experiment, you'll need some water, of course, clear cups or jars, paper towels, and different colors of food coloring.
Sounds easy. Well, let's get started.
Okay, kids, the first step in this experiment is to fill up your cups about halfway with water. And then take your paper towels and cut them into squares or tear if you don't have scissors. And then take your squares and fold into inch-wide strips. And then fold those strips in half.
And if you're doing six cups of food coloring, then you'll want to do six different strips.
And the next step is to add the food coloring into the cups.
Alrighty. I'm going to start on that side, I'll start on this side. Go ahead and use a liberal amount of food coloring so you get some good color to view the experiment with. Particularly if you're using the lighter colors like this yellow.
How's that, Dr. D?
Looks colorful to me. I think we're good to go. Now when you put your strips in, you're going to straddle them over the cups until you go all the way around if you've got a circular formation of cups here. And you'll want to get them in pretty quick. It depends on the density of your paper towel as to how quickly the water starts walking. Alrighty, I'll give 3 to you. I'll take 3 and we'll see what happens. Okay, so watch closely, guys.
Wow.
Stuff is already going.
So, Dr. D, have you heard of the process of capillary action?
No, tell me about this.
Well, that's what we've got going here. The paper towels are made of fibers, and water travels through the gaps in the fibers, kind of like straws, and it pulls the water upward. The water is attracted to the paper towel fibers and pulls other water molecules along with them.
Okay.
The attractive forces between the water molecules and the paper towel pulls the water up against the pull of gravity.
That's amazing. Yeah, it is going upwards.
And FYI, this is the exact process that draws water from a plant's roots to the leaves at the top of the plant.
I always wondered how plants did that.
That's capillary action, Dr. D.
Capillary action. Like that term. Alrighty, and we've got a colorful experiment that you guys can try at home as well.
Alrighty, well thank you for joining us for that walking water experiment. What did you think of that, Steph the Scientist?
I thought it was super cool, Dr. D.
Me as well. Well, why don't you tell them about some of the books they can get here?
Sure, if you enjoyed that science time, be sure to check out our collection of science books here at the LaPorte Branch Library that are available for checkout and curbside pickup.
Excellent, and don't forget to join us next time on Facebook next month for our next Library Laboratory.